NASDAQ this week has risen in value. The week started with a bullish candle, not so big, not so strong, but it was a bullish candle that has stopped just here at the resistance level, and then the price was trying to move up, forming a bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar took the price all the way to the next support level here, and then formed another bullish pin bar targeting higher price levels, and then after that the price continued to rise in value. This rising value was not so big compared to other candles and also that can be, but it is a bullish candle that has been formed this week. And we can see after the price has formed the indecision candle in the previous week, this week the price has risen in value, reaching again higher price levels and reaching all-time high price level for the NASDAQ. Monthly time frame is currently showing us a bullish candle, which means a continuation of the previous bullish candles. We can see that starting from here 16304, and it is currently at 23,000, which means strong bullish momentum is still active on the market. But this week there was no such volatility like in this example here, where we have a much bigger candle in the previous week compared to this one. So where the price could go? Well, as it looks, it is trying to reach higher price levels, which means 23,623 is the next target. Here we can see that it is a resistance level where the price is targeting. Weekly time frame shows me also potentially as the next resistance, but because this is all-time high price level, that means there is no resistance that has been tested before, which we could also use as a reference where the price could reach. So for now, this one is the target around 23,623. Daily time frame is showing us that the price has managed to go above this area of resistance, which means the bulls have managed to push a price above strong resistance where the sellers were waiting and preventing the price from reaching high price levels. This is continuing a rising value, which means I'm also expecting that the price will try reach higher price levels. So I'm still bullish oriented on the NASDAQ for the next week. So for now, if you would like also to receive the bullish and bearish breakout updates, feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a group where I share the details with the entry level, stop loss, take profit level when there is a breakout. Feel free to check that and see you inside. That's all for this week. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.